Hi, Sam. Here we are for our visit. It's December 8th, and Sam has gotten so big. Can you wave? Hi, Sam. Hi, Sam.
He's like waiting for the picture.
He's still a little asleep.
I'm turning it.
Can you clap?
Can you clap?
Yes.
Good boy.
Yes, we can clap.
Good boy. Hi, Sam. Hi. Hi. That's it. That's it. Such a big boy you're getting to be. Yes, you are so big. Are you tired, Sam?
He's tired. He hasn't had good
I
rest yet.
just woke up.
Hey, monkey.
Okay. See you later. Aw. Can you come here, Sam? I'm taping you. Yes.
He's like, I know, I'm smiling.
Show us what you can do. Come on. You can crawl to me. You can do it. You can do it.
See, this is what he does.
Oh, you want to get up on your feet and run. What to do, what to do. Oh, yeah?
Hi, bud.
You can do it. Well, I'm just going to lounge here for a few minutes. All right, then. Bless you. Oh, bless you, Mom.
Dari.
You distracted me, Mama. Come on. You can do it. Good boy. Look at you go. Dancing Sam. Look at you go.
Okay, here's the list.
We say at the end of the show. But for a show that's named God Loves You Very Much,
Right.
you say it at the beginning. Wait, we're doing a remake of the old movie Painting in the Rain. What? Why would you think
Sam,
that?
are you watching VeggieTales?
Well, you're dressed for painting and I'm dressed
Well, he's
for
chewing on
rain.
his carrot.
Actually, I was going to ask you why you were dressed in a raincoat. For the big opening number. We're coming up, Tomato. We need to find you some tight shoes. Would you prefer to paint in the rain or on a plane? The rain is much better. If you love rain. What are you thinking? Hello.
Larry? We have a question. Does God love me? Does he love me?
We have...
Jump, Sam, jump. Jump.
Is that fun?
Do it again, do it again.
Do it, Sam.
Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Good job, Sam. Again, again. Oh.
Yeah.
Again, again.
Grandma Simpson.
All right,
Like this.
all right, here we go.
This is what Grandma Simpson used to do with me. I remember it. The lady rides like this. The gentleman rides like this. The cowboy rides like this. I don't know if she did it quite like that. The lady rides like this. The gentleman rides like this. The cowboy rides like this.
I love how he says, come on, do it again, do it again.
I know. The lady rides like this. The gentleman rides like this. The cowboy rides like this.
Hey, Sam having a bath. Wow!
Hello.
Wow! Hi.
Sam, where are you going?
Let's see what you dropped.
This is it.
That is one big brush, Mom. Sam, you having a good bath?